Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone, and today I received this package from DHL, as you can see from this branding, and let's get into it. So I've obviously opened it, and yeah, this package is, as you guys know, PCB way, prototype the easy way. And what's this? Watch the video till the end and I have a big surprise for you guys. PCB is a company which manufactures PCBs, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and seeing the box contents. How is the quality of the PCB? Are the PCB nice enough for us to purchase? And thank you for sending them the review unit to us so that we can make the video for you guys. And let's get into the video. Let me grab my knife, as you can see, and let's cut this seal over here. The box was very nicely packed and really shipped nicely to me. And yeah, we have got this nice foam for the protection, and as you can see, we have received many things, including some of these stickers, 4-year anniversary. And yeah, let me just take out all these stickers. Chinese zodiac and PCB way. They have sent us a lot of stickers, as you can see, dragon and Chinese zodiac. So they may be celebrating their 4 years anniversary, and these are the stickers. So we also have got 2 pieces of pen, and yeah, what to tell about them, they are nice. Keeping them away, we have 5 PCBs here, and the box is now fully empty. So let's keep it down. We have got these 5 PCBs, and all have their own marks and everything, QR codes, and yeah, flavor too. So these are the PCs. We'll be unboxing them one by one, and I'll be showing you how are the quality of these PCBs. Bringing up our first PCB, which is this one, BN25, and you can copy this number to the website and opening this. Yeah, so nicely packed, as you can see. They're enough hard from getting them damaged and prevent them getting damaged. Bringing up our first PCB is this one, and let me just open this. I've already cut it, but it's not enough. Let me cut it. It is so well packed that it's not opening. And please open. So these are the PCB. Quality is very nice for the PCBs. As you can see, they are super good, and the print markings are also very good. They are super clean, and it is scribble free. So I'm scribbling, but it's not getting off. And module it is written in, and Pro Mini Shield for my sensors. And I will be bringing up some DIY projects using these PCBs, so watch the next video too. And let's cut the second one. It's already no. The see the PCBs are super nicely packed, as you can see. So let me just resume the video after cutting them all. So okay, I have made everything out, and these are the PCBs. The PCB quality is super good. The marking is so much clear, and yeah, they are also a little bit flexible, and these angles are not at all rough, and they are really cleaned up well. And let's check another PC. And I've got this type of two PCBs, and they are so nice. As you can see, multi-sensor 9-volt PCB, and what they are meant for, I will make a video on that, and I will use these PCBs to build some Arduino powered projects. And we just, as you can see, the PCBs are very good and high. These are very high quality and professional quality PCBs. If you are messing up with your solderless breadboard and jumper wires, then you should buy or make a PCB. You should buy a PCB by making a Gerber file that I will explain in the later part of the video. And let me show you how the back side looks like. They are also very nice, and yeah, the quality is good. I want to thank PCB Way for sending me this product for review purpose. And this company is very nice. This company provides PCBs at a very low cost, and supposingly you won't believe that these PCBs are of such a low cost. And yeah, you can make your projects look much better and much professional using these PCBs, which are not very expensive though. And thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button.